Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yvette and I am going to do a haul, as you can tell by the title of the video. Today I'm going to do a couple, one's a subscription box and one is an order I placed with Thrive. And I don't know if you're familiar with Thrive, but I will explain everything to you. So first thing I wanted to show you was my Ipsy box for the month. I get the Ipsy box plus, so it comes in this box. I don't know if you're familiar with Ipsy, but the Ipsy plus is a $25 a month subscription. It does come every month. They do have a smaller option that's $12 a month, and you get 4 to 5. I'm reading. I made notes. 4 to 5 full and sample size products. The Plus comes with 5 full-size products, and then there's an Ultimate that's like, I forget the price of it, and it comes every month too, and it has a combination of full and sample size. So, what I got this month is I got the Ciate London Marbled Metals eyeshadow, and I have it on today. So, I really like this product. It's kind of like a cream eyeshadow, and it's like this rose gold, nice neutral color, kind of goes with everything, and I really like it. I just put a little bit of like a tan in my crease, and then I pop this on, a little bit of eyeliner, mascara, good to go. Nice, simple, easy for summer. This retails for $24. Then I got the Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer. This retails for $38. And it's this blue. And it does a nice job. It does a nice job of blurring. I haven't been wearing foundation because I have the tan. So I haven't been wearing foundation. I've just been popping this on my skin, and then my powder, like my bronzer and my blush. So I've been wearing that. This retails, like I said, for $38. And then I got this Arceli. I feel like every month I get a eyeliner. So this was a liquid eyeliner. I took the lid off so I can show you the point. It has a nice little point. So I haven't done a wing liner with it yet, but it would be a good one for a wing liner. This retails for $16. And then it came in this little pack like this, and these are Farrah brushes. And there's 4 or 5, oh, there's 5, I missed one. So there's 5 brushes. There is a blending brush, shading brush, fly wings brush. So I guess if you want to do it like a winged eyeliner with a powdered eyeshadow, you can do that. This is a tapered blending brush, the little guy. And then this guy is a short shading brush. Now they say that these retail for $48. They seem very light. I don't know if I would pay $48 for these, but I do like them. And I've used, as you can tell, I use this one for the crease. I'm going to sneeze. It's coming. Then I got this Perlise. It's a Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm. I have one of these, and they let you customize one product, and I chose this because I wanted to have it as a backup through the summer. This retails for $24. I do have, like I said, I already have one that I've been using, and I do like it. It's like a water balm type. It's moisturizing, but it doesn't sit on the skin. Like, you can't say, oh, I feel that moisturizer on my skin. It soaks right into your skin, and it's gone. So, but I do really like it. This is the packaging, which I think is really cute. And I'm a sucker in the summer for anything watermelon, coconut. Those are pretty much what I'm a sucker for in the summer when it comes to skincare or scents. So my box retailed for, oh, and I got, every month you get a little bag. And this was my makeup bag for the month. with the little ladies laying out, and then it has a yellow inside and a little yellow pool. So I thought that was cute. When I go to South Carolina here next month, I'll probably pack some stuff in this, especially the Saté London and the eyeliner, because I definitely, for summer, will be using those two products. So anyway, that was the Ipsy bag for the month. And then I did an order from Thrive. Now, if you're not familiar with Thrive, I want to tell you all about it. I will have a link down below, and it's an affiliate link. So if you choose to order from Thrive or to check it out or whatever, I would love for you to use my link. It helps me out, so I would appreciate that. You don't have to, but it does help me out. Thrive Market is basically an online organic type store, like an Earth Fair or something like that. In my area, we have a locally owned one called Raisin Rack. We have, well, we had Earth Fair, but they closed. And we have another one, and I can't think of the name of it. But this is an online store, and the prices are really good on their items. And so it's a membership type thing. You just pay it, you can pay it monthly, which is $5 a month, or you can pay by the year, which I didn't. I think it was like $55 for the year. I don't know. But when you become a member, your membership will sponsor a free membership for a family, a low-income family, a teacher, a student, a veteran, or a first responder. So that made me feel good that me paying a membership, they are giving one then to somebody who would need one. So let me show you what I got, because I do get really cool things. I could show you what I got last month, but I'm already using those things. I got some wool balls for my dryer. I love those, and I get a lot of my cleaning supplies and that sort of thing from there. But I got these No Bake Energy Bite Mix. So I got these. This one is Cocoa for Coconuts, because we know I love coconut. So I got those. I did get these. They're called Smart Sweets. They only have 3 grams of sugar. And I like to have these on hand when Spencer or the neighbor boys are over, whatever. I like to have these on hand. I got 2 packs of those. And I love gummy bears, so even for me. I did get toasted coconut flakes for my smoothies and for when I make brownies, whatever. So I got those. And I got some avocado oil potato chips, smoky barbecue. I got 2 bags of those. So I just did a very small order this month, and like I said, my link will be down below if you want to check them out. I didn't buy a ton of stuff this month, but there were a few things I wanted to grab. Like I said, a lot of times I order a combination of cleaning supplies and cooking stuff, and it gives me some variety in different things, and I'm always looking for neat things to put in my smoothies and that sort of thing. And like I said, their prices are really good. So, and when you sign up, I want to say they give you $20 or $25 off your first order of so much. So again, that link will be down below. And I would love for you to try them out. It's a great, I love that. And I hate paying membership prices for stuff, but I feel like this one's really worth it to have, especially if you're on a special diet, like you're gluten-free or you're dairy-free or nut-free. You can select those things, or even keto, paleo. You can select those things, and it'll list all the items that are in that category for you. So that makes it nice, especially if you're on a special diet or watching, you know, what you eat, or if you have an allergy or something like that. So all right, well, that's what I wanted to share with you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below and let me know if you have ever tried Thrive Market and things that you like. And if it's your first time and you do try it, leave me a comment and let me know what you ordered or what you found that you think sounds good so I can try it as well. I'm always looking for new things. So, all right, I will see you in the next video.